Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Naaz Arora. So today we are doing a get ready with me vacation edition. So I firstly applied the MAC Strobe Cream, which is an amazing product which adds moisture and shine to your skin. Look at that glow. Now I've applied the Estee Lauder's SPF 50. It is beautiful, protects my skin, and I reapply it after every 3 hours. So I'm applying the MAC Fix Plus now for prepping and priming my skin. Beautiful product again. It's already so highly recommended. Fixing my face with the MAC Studio Fix. This is a beautiful product with a beautiful finish, high coverage, very appropriate for summers. Now I'm using this amazing mascara from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It is beautiful, it is gorgeous, and I am sure you're going to love it. Look at the way my lashes look, and I've just applied whatever little was left on the brush to fix my eyebrows into place as well. Now I'm using the Etude cheek tint, which is beautiful. I'm going to apply it on my lips and my cheeks. It's called Dear Darling, I think, and it's a beautiful product. Look at that finish. It is the perfect tube for Benefit Tint. Look at that. Look at that pinkiness. Look at that shine. Oh my god, I love it. I don't mean it's a gloss. I mean just the color payoff is beautiful. And it's one of my favorite drugstore cheek tints. Now next we are going to shift to the Bobbi Brown Longwear Cream Eyeshadow Mini. It's beautiful. It's an eyeshadow stick, but I use it more like a highlighter. It's in the shade Golden Pink. And look at the way it's working for me, my medium Indian skin tone. Isn't it gorgeous? It's adding that perfect little shine that I would always require. Girls got a bling all the way, so this is perfect. I don't even know how much I've used the term beautiful product in this video. We need to get a count. Comment down below. And finishing up my beauty regime with this amazing Tom Ford Noir Extreme. It's a beautiful product, smells long lasts. I hope you enjoy this makeup tutorial as much as I enjoyed filming it for you guys, even being on my vacation. This is how my final look comes out to be. It's very natural, very everyday, and something you can flaunt. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such content, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Bye.